My name is Adam Fierman, and I'm a creative content developer based out of Southern California. Join me, through the lens of my camera, as I follow two anglers deep into the Baja, in search of one of the most challenging trophy fish in all of the Sea of Cortez, the Grande Rooster. What began as a healthy competition between two amigos.
So of course I'm sucked into another bet. It's who can catch the most variety, the biggest rooster, I don't even know what it is.
I will fucking crush Mark Martin.
Quickly morphed into a partnership amongst three friends to accomplish the daunting task of finding a fish
Big roosters moving left to right outside the trough
and documenting the adventure. Witness our daily grind.
Today is the kind of day that could break the spirits of a lot of people. Today is the kind of day what you saw could really break your spirit, really bring you down, and really make you think, shit, what else do I gotta do? But not Mark and I.
Experience the breathtaking wildlife.
It was like literally raining marlin down on us. They were everywhere. Like a big rain cloud was over us, just dropping marlin bombs.
And taste the salt and sand as we explore the Tropic of Cancer for the fish of a lifetime.
What happened today on the beach with the fish that we caught, I can't believe. I'll be numb for a while.
Yeah!